Hi everyone, it's a really great day today. Hubby went to work and well, that's not really why it's a great day. He was working overtime this weekend. So anyway, he just left and I got out here, cut my grapes back a little bit because they're just really out of control, and the bindweed has taken over in the back 40 where I haven't got to in the last month. I don't know, let's see if we can get there. There we go. My blackberries. So it's blackberry cane pruning time. So I'm gonna turn you around and I'm gonna show you the canes that I'm gonna prune. I think I got 4 Prima-Canes for next year. So let me turn you around. On the back here, you can see that really nice long green cane. Well, there's the bindweed that I'm gonna pull, but there's a really nice smooth long green cane. That one's gonna get threaded through the fence. Now, last year's cane that gave me all the berries is right here, and it's red and it's dying. So that cane, you see it right here, that's the dead cane. So that one's gonna get trimmed. This one is going to get set up on the fence for next year. Now, I don't know, up here on top, I don't think I got a cane that came across this this bar this year. This all has to be cut back, but you can see through the spider webs that I think I got 4. So let me start cutting the dead canes out and then I'll show you what it looks like when it gets done. So there's a lot of dead canes in here. This thing produced so many blackberries for me. They're still in the freezer so I can make jam. So I'll be back in a little bit and show you. I didn't get out here and pick my cucumbers. So my cucumbers are like mega cucumbers, but I don't remember what I planted, so I don't know if I can save the seeds or not. So I think they're just gonna go in the bin. I'm not gonna worry about saving the seeds. So anyhow, I'll be back. The sun finally came around and it is low in October. So I want to show you something. If you can see the shine on this, this is like little itty bitty soft velvet antlers, and you can really see the sun shining on it. These are the new canes for next year. You can tell the old canes, see if the sun can get it. See how they're kind of yellow? There's no fuzz left, and this one is yellow, but this one back here, you can see the fuzz. That's a brand new cane. This is a brand new cane. There's a couple. So it looks like I have 3 canes going over my fence, but it only looks like I have 1, 2 straight up, 3 to train the other way. So 1, 2, 3, 6. It looks like I got 6 new canes this year. So let me finish taking it out. The sun finally came around and I wanted to show you that picture. So remember, the fuzzy you leave in, the kind of yellowish color you take all the way down to the bottom. And this is a big cane too. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 canes. Now I chopped them right at the, this is probably the 7-foot mark for right now, for 3 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 5 of them are chopped. 2 of them are going over the back fence, and I'm going to go train them here real quick. Say hi, sis. So anyhow, my whole truck's full. So let's go fix the back fence. Alright, so it's like 11:30 at night and I'm just editing the videos, and I realized that my blackberry cutting video, I never finished. I went to the dump. That entire blackberry bush took up my entire back of my truck, which I don't have a big truck, I have a little Nissan pickup, but that was a lot of blackberries. Now I know why I had so many berries. But anyhow, so that's how I cut my berries, and I wound the 2 long ones across the back of the fence on the outside of the fence. And then what I'll do is springtime, what'll happen is they'll start branching out, and I'm going to run wires next year. That's why I cut them at the 7-foot mark. I probably will bring them down a little bit more, but I didn't want the canes to die back too much in the winter. So the blackberries are done. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and it's kind of weird that I thought I had filmed it. Maybe I didn't. I never pushed play. So have a great night. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.